Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how we can customize always on display on this device. So at the first we have to move for the settings and we have to go for the always on display and the lock screen section. When we are here we have to for the first activate the always on display, and as you can see we can set the schedule of this feature. So we can set the time when we want to get our always on display, but I can recommend you to switch to get it always, right? And here we can change the clock style. I will take this one with date and the current location. Here we can also adjust notifications. So I think that this one looks really cool, but the starlight is really dope, right? Go for your favorite. I'm going for this one. And of course, if we are going to lock our screen, right now we can enjoy the new always on display on our K30 Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!